In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for students. Whether you're tracking homework, group projects, or exam prep, Monday.com can keep everything organized in one place. We'll walk through the essential flow, open your board, add a task, set a due date and status, and mark it complete when you're done. I'll also share a few simple tips to make your board clear and efficient. Start by opening Monday.com and navigating to your workspace. Look for the board labeled Trial Management, or the board your class uses for assignments. Boards are like smart tables. Each row is a task, and columns hold details such as due date, status, and who's responsible. If you don't see the board right away, use the search bar or the left sidebar to find it quickly. Once you're on the board, add a new task. Click the New Task button to create a fresh row. Give your task a clear, searchable name. For example, instead of essay, try History Essay, Industrial Revolution Draft. Clear names make filtering and sorting much easier later. If your board has an owner or people column, assign the task to yourself so it shows up in your My Work view across Monday.com. Next, fill in the important details. Click the due date cell and choose the date you need to submit or present. If reminders are available, set them to nudge you a day or two before it's due. Then update the status column. Pick the label that reflects where you are right now, such as to do, working on it, or done. Status colors help you scan the board at a glance, so try to keep them accurate. If you're collaborating, you can also add a quick note in the Tasks Updates area to capture links, requirements, or feedback, keeping everything tied to that task. When you finish the assignment, mark it complete. You can drag the task into the complete section if your board has a dedicated group for finished work, or simply change the status to done. Some boards use automations that move tasks to complete when the status switches to done, so either action will mark your work as finished and clear it from active views. To make your board even more helpful, consider adding widgets and views that fit your study habits. A calendar view shows deadlines by week or month, while a dashboard can surface a progress widget, a workload snapshot, or a quick summary of what's due next. Keep columns lean and consistent so your board stays fast and easy to read. And that's it. Open the board, create a task, add a due date and status, and move it to complete when you're done. Simple, clear, and perfect for student life.